Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Cam Stevens and I'll be your guide. This is the Safety Innovation Academy Microsoft 365 Copilot channel. And in this channel, I'll be showcasing everything there is to know about Microsoft 365 Copilot if you're a health and safety professional. So we're going to be targeting that particular area. However, if you are a non-technical professional and you're using Microsoft Copilot, so 365 Copilot Premium, then this is also for you. Now, this is my first ever YouTube video, so bear with me. I'm going to shoot it, edit it, see how it goes. So be keen for your feedback. We're going to start right at the start. So when you go from having a Copilot basic account, which is the free account, and you upgrade, so most organizations you'll be required to ask your administrator, that's typically through your supervisor, and you need to get, it's around about, in Australian dollars, it's around about $500 a year for you to get a license. So it does scale up and the cost is quite significant if you've got a decent team. But once you've got that Copilot 365 premium license, you'll be able to do a bunch of different things, and I'll talk those through with you throughout this channel. So we're going to start right from the start. When you upgrade to the account, your Microsoft administrator has allocated you the license. You will get a welcome to Microsoft 365 Copilot email. And interestingly, a lot of people skip this and it has some pretty rich information in there. So I just want to guide you through that. So I strongly recommend that if you get this email, you save it and you refer back to it regularly, and then you bookmark the different components that are in the email. So there's the getting started with Copilot. You've got all of the different Copilot micro courses that Microsoft pulled together. They're actually pretty good. There's not a huge amount of relevance for health and safety and risk management professionals, but there are a few little case studies if you know where to look. So it'll tell you what you can do in Copilot Chat, what you can do in Outlook, in PowerPoint, and then you've got your resources profile here as well. So when you download the Microsoft 365 Copilot app, you'll see it at the bottom of your toolbar here, and that's pretty much where you'll go to access. If you've got a Microsoft Copilot enabled PC like I do, and I'll show you what that button looks like in another video, you can just click the Copilot button and it'll activate the Copilot Assistant inside whichever dialog box you're in. This Microsoft Copilot scenario library is really interesting. And then there's the Copilot Academy, which a lot of people don't realize exists, but absolutely great place to start. So we'll quickly run through these because I want to keep this first video short. We'll just go to this first tab, and in future videos, I'll go to the other tabs and I'll show you what they're all about. So getting started with Copilot is going to take you through to a ding, 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 ding. 3 seconds later, it'll basically take you to this introduction page. Now, this is the page where you can buy Copilot if you're a single business owner and you want to be basically locking in and getting your accounts here. But this is really important to understand that Microsoft 365 Copilot works across a whole bunch of different applications, not just the Copilot app itself. So there's so many different applications and use cases. So this will take you through all of the foundational basics, and a great place to get started. We'll go through them one by one over time. We'll follow through the learning path, and then I can make sure that those types of things are contextualized for you as health and safety professionals and leaders trying to navigate Copilot 365 in your organization. So let's keep it there for now. If this format is resonating, if you think this is something you'd like to learn more about, I'd love to know. Click the things that you're supposed to click in YouTube. I'll figure out what they are. Like, subscribe, whatever that is. And I'll keep producing these videos. So let me know, and love your work. Speak to you soon.